African civet, the silent guardian of Africa's nights. In the depths of Africa's twilight hours, when the sun surrenders to darkness and the continent's nocturnal symphony begins, a mysterious figure emerges from the shadows. The African civet, Civet The Secretive, moves with fluid grace through woodlands and savannas, its distinctive spotted coat blending seamlessly with dappled moonlight filtering through acacia branches. This enigmatic creature, often overlooked in favor of Africa's more famous megafauna, plays a crucial role as one of the continent's most important ecological guardians. A living tapestry of evolution. The African civet stands as a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation, representing millions of years of refinement in the art of survival. Despite its cat-like appearance and graceful movements, this fascinating mammal belongs to the Viveridae family, making it more closely related to mongooses and genets than to true cats. This evolutionary distinction becomes apparent when observing the civet's unique blend of characteristics that set it apart from any other African carnivore. Measuring between 26 to 33 inches in body length, with an additional 18 to 20 inches of tail, the African civet possesses a robust, elongated frame perfectly designed for its diverse lifestyle. Its coat tells a story of natural artistry, featuring a complex pattern of black spots and bands against a grayish-yellow background. The most striking feature is the distinctive black mask that surrounds its eyes, giving it an almost mystical appearance that has inspired countless African folklore tales. The civet's semi-retractable claws serve multiple purposes, from climbing trees with surprising agility to digging for hidden prey. Its powerful jaw muscles and sharp teeth reflect its omnivorous nature, capable of crushing bones, cracking nuts, and tearing flesh with equal efficiency. These physical adaptations have allowed the African civet to thrive across a remarkably diverse range of habitats throughout sub-Saharan Africa. Master of the night shift. As darkness envelopes the African landscape, the civet's true nature emerges. This primarily nocturnal creature has evolved exceptional sensory capabilities that transform it into a formidable night hunter. Its large, sensitive ears can detect the faintest rustling of potential prey, while its keen sense of smell guides it through the complex olfactory landscape of the African night. The African civet's hunting strategy reflects its adaptable nature. Rather than specializing in a single prey type, it has evolved to be an opportunistic predator and forager. Small mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, and even fish form the protein component of its diet, while fruits, berries, and roots provide essential nutrients and energy. This dietary flexibility has been crucial to the species' success across varied ecosystems, from dense forests to open grasslands. During foraging expeditions that can cover several miles in a single night, civets demonstrate remarkable intelligence and memory. They maintain mental maps of their territories, remembering seasonal fruit trees, reliable water sources, and productive hunting grounds. This cognitive ability allows them to optimize their energy expenditure while maximizing their nutritional intake. The scent of communication. Perhaps no aspect of African civet behavior is more fascinating than their sophisticated scent communication system. Both male and female civets possess specialized scent glands that produce a complex array of chemical messages. The most famous of these secretions is the musky substance known as civetone, which has been prized by perfumers for centuries. These scent markings serve multiple purposes in civet society. They establish territorial boundaries, communicate reproductive status, and provide detailed information about the individual who left them. A single scent mark can convey the marker's sex, age, health status, and even emotional state to other civets passing through the area. The territorial behavior of African civets reflects a delicate balance between competition and coexistence. Males typically maintain larger territories that may overlap with those of several females, creating a complex social structure that allows for genetic diversity while minimizing direct conflict. During the breeding season, these scent communications become even more critical, enabling potential mates to find each other across vast distances. Ecosystem engineers in action. The ecological importance of African civets extends far beyond their role as predators. These animals function as crucial ecosystem engineers, their activities rippling through entire ecological networks in ways that scientists are only beginning to fully understand. As seed dispersers, civets play an essential role in forest regeneration and plant community dynamics. Their love of fruits means they consume vast quantities of seeds, which pass through their digestive system relatively unharmed. These seeds are then deposited throughout their territory, often in locations far from the parent plant and accompanied by a natural fertilizer package. Some plant species have evolved specifically to take advantage of civet dispersal, producing fruits that ripen at night when civets are most active. The civet's impact on insect populations cannot be overstated. A single individual can consume hundreds of insects in a night, helping to control potential agricultural pests and disease vectors. This natural pest control service provides immeasurable benefits to both wild ecosystems and human agricultural systems throughout their range. Cultural significance in human interaction. Throughout African cultures, the civet has earned a place in traditional stories, medicines, and spiritual beliefs. Many communities regard the civet as a symbol of stealth, intelligence, and adaptability. Some traditions credit the civet with supernatural powers, believing that its ability to move silently through the night grants it access to the spirit world. Unfortunately, this cultural significance has also led to exploitation. The civet's scent glands have been harvested for perfume production, leading to the establishment of civet farms in some regions. Additionally, various body parts are used in traditional medicine, creating pressure on wild populations. The relationship between civets and human communities is complex and often challenging. As human settlements expand into traditional civet habitat, conflicts arise when these adaptable animals raid crops or take domestic poultry. However, many communities are learning to appreciate the benefits civets provide through natural pest control and are developing coexistence strategies. Conservation challenges in a changing world. While the African civet is not currently considered endangered, it faces mounting pressures from habitat loss, human encroachment, and climate change. The conversion of natural habitats to agricultural land reduces the available territory for civets and eliminates the diverse plant and animal communities they depend upon. Climate change presents additional challenges, altering rainfall patterns and affecting the availability of water and food resources. As ecosystems shift, civets must adapt to new conditions or potentially face population declines in affected areas. Conservation efforts for African civets require a holistic approach that considers both the species' needs and human development pressures. Protected areas provide crucial refuges, but the species' success ultimately depends on creating sustainable coexistence models in human-modified landscapes. The future of Africa's night guardian. The African civet represents the resilience and adaptability that characterize Africa's wildlife. As we move forward into an uncertain future, understanding and protecting species like the civet becomes increasingly important. These animals serve as indicators of ecosystem health and remind us of the complex interconnections that sustain life across the continent. Research into civet ecology continues to reveal new insights into their behavior, ecological role, and conservation needs. Advanced tracking technologies and genetic studies are providing unprecedented glimpses into their secretive lives, informing conservation strategies and helping to ensure their continued survival. The story of the African civet is ultimately a story about balance, the balance between predator and prey, between wild spaces and human development, between tradition and conservation. As Africa's silent guardian continues its nightly patrols through forests and savannas, it reminds us that even the most unassuming species can play vital roles in maintaining the ecological integrity of our shared planet. In protecting the African civet and its habitat, we protect not just a single species, but entire ecosystems and the countless benefits they provide to both wildlife and human communities. The future of this remarkable creature depends on our ability to recognize its value and commit to conservation efforts that ensure Africa's nights will forever echo with the soft footsteps of its silent guardian. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.